Now the third important topic in this chapter is nature of roots. Now when the quadratic equation is given, let us say x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and instead of blindly finding the roots of the equation, if I know what is the nature of the roots, then I can skip the further procedure. So to determine the roots of the equation, we need to know the discriminant. Now what is discriminant? Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now if I take the coefficients of x, b, a and c, then I can easily find out the discriminant. Now this discriminant determines the nature of the roots. Now let us take the example and find what can be the nature of the roots. Before determining the nature of the roots, now you should be knowing the three important points. That is, if the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, कैलकुलेट करने के बाद अगर 0 आता है, then the roots are real and equal. If the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real, or the equation or the given quadratic equation does not have real roots. And if b square minus 4ac means this discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Now distinct means different roots. In this case, if it is equal to 0, discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So the equation will be having equal roots. Now let us see how we can determine the nature of the roots by taking one example. Let us find the nature of the root of the given quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and here we have to find the nature of the roots. Okay. Now again I will compare this one, compare the given equation with our standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now by comparing, I will write a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. Now let us find the discriminant to know the nature of the roots, and discriminant is given as b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is the value of b? It is minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 into 2 means 8 into 3 is 24. So answer come out as minus 8. But this minus 8 is less than 0. Therefore, according to our given condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation or given quadratic equation has no real roots. So students, let us summarize what we studied in this chapter. First is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called as standard quadratic equation. This is very important point. Then second is method of factorization to find the roots or solution of the equation. Now in this method of factorization, we split the middle term. Then third is by using quadratic formula. So by using this formula, we can easily find the value of x or root or solution of the equation. And the third important point was determining the nature of the roots. Before finding the roots, you must know what is the nature of the roots, and that nature of the roots we can find out by finding the discriminant. Now discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal also, and b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Okay, then in this case we need not have to find the roots of the equation, and b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct.